Hi children, hope that all are safe at home. Today's topic is about reflex action from lesson number 3 of nervous system of class 4. Yeah children, generally what is meant by reflex action? The actions that are not controlled or monitored by the brain are known as reflex actions. These are the actions which are not controlled by our brain. See, these are the actions which are only controlled by the spinal cord. See, here examples are there: blinking of eyes or touching a hot object. See, when you touch any hot object, you suddenly pull your hand back. Yes or no? Yes. This is only done due to the reflex action. And also, if any dust falls on your eyes or any sudden switch on the lights in a dark room, these all are the reflex actions. Yes or no children? And also how this happens. Reflex actions mainly happens through, in this case, what the spinal cord receives the message from our sensory nerves that the object being touched is hot. I already said you, when you are going to touch any hot water or a hot pan, when you are cooking something, if you touch a hot object, you are going to keep your hand back. This is the message is not given by the brain, but it is given by the spinal cord by using some sort of a sensory nerves in your body. Why it takes why? Because it takes mainly more time when it is send a message to the brain that this object is hot, you have to take the hand. This is the set of thing that makes more time. The spinal cord cannot pass the message to the brain because it would take more time. Okay, clear. Instead that the spinal cord send back a message to the hand instructing it to withdraw itself immediately. See children, here reflex action. See, here there is a hot object, one of the person is touching it. Directly the spinal cord gives the message to take the hand back. This is the pain receptors in the skin reacts for this action, and also direction of impulse. Cell body of afferent neuron, cell body of interneuron, and axon of afferent neuron, axon of afferent neuron. These are the set of parts which mainly help for the reflex actions to work on it. How does spinal cord helps? Spinal cord sends the message through the motor nerves. All this happens so quickly that we do not even realize it. See, we don't know that even we are taking a hand when we suddenly have a hit from a pin, safety pin or anything else, we will not see and will take your hand back even if you are in a sleepy mode. This what the reflex action does. A few examples of reflex action are when light acts as a stimulus, the pupil of the eye changes the size. Sudden jerky or withdrawal of hand or a leg from the pin, pricked by a pin. Coughing or sneezing because of irritants in the nasal passages. Knees jerks and response to blow or something stamping on leg. The sudden removal of hand from a sharp object. Sudden blinking of insect comes very near to the eye. The whole process of reflex action involves some important components. They are receptor organs, sensory nerves, nerve center, associated neurons, motor neurons, and effector neurons. These are the some of the examples for the reflex action. See, blinking of eyes. If a sudden dust falls on your eyes, sudden hot object you are touching, it is also one reflex action. And also sudden is sharp. Suppose a knife or a pin, a dangerous insects like mosquitoes, you are going to take your hands from there, or you are going to hit the mosquito. These all are the reflex actions which are done by the spinal cord itself. Why? Because you already know that the brain takes much time to give the message to our different sensory nerves of the body. Clear, children? What is a blink reflex? See, suppose a student is behind a barrier like a window, throw a ball at a person through the window. Did the student blink or not? See, suppose a student is throwing a ball through the window, you are side of that window. Does you blink your eyes? Yes, definitely you will blink your eyes. That is nothing but blink reflex. How does sense organs help? Smell of food make our mouth water. Production of saliva in our mouth is a reflex action. See, children, when you are very fond of something like eating things like cakes or something, if you see that things, you feel very delicious and automatically your mouth is going to have some sort of a saliva. This also mainly done due to the reflex action. Okay, but do you know how did you even detect the smell in the first place? It is done with the help of sense organs. This only done with the sense organs. You know already the 5 sense organs, right? What are those? Nothing but nose, eyes, ears, tongue and skin. These are the sense organs which are also helpful for the reflex actions. What is your reaction if you touch something hot or sharp? You automatically pull your hand away. This is a withdrawal reflex. This type of movement happens even before your brain has received information from the sense organs that there is a problem. See here, a girl is there. She is touching a sharp object. Electrical impulses are sent by the sensory neurons to the spinal cord, receptors in the skin. See, directly the girl is touching out of the sharp object, so she is trying to take the hand from there. Then what she is getting the help from the spinal cord directly, rather getting then the information from the brain. Connection of sense organs. All the information from the environment are detected by nerve cells located in our sense organs. It controls the actions that do not involve the brain. These are the sense organs. It controls the actions that do not involve the brain. Understood, children? Means these are eyes, nose, tongue and ears and skin. In these reflex actions, they do not involve with the brain. See, suppose you went to a kitchen and you are touching the hot set of a pan or something. What you are going to do? You are going to take the hand from there. To understand the reflex arc more clearly, let's take an example. We suddenly touch a hot plate. We pull our hands away from the hot plate very quickly and without thinking. Here following things happen. The skin of your hands are receptors. What is called receptors? Skin of your hands are called as receptors. Feels the hotness of the plate, sends to the nerve impulse to the spinal cord through the sensory nerves. What is meant by sensory nerves? Hotness of the plate sends to the nerve impulse to the spinal cord. This action is done through the sensory nerve. The spinal cord interprets the message and decides what the response should be. Then the nerve impulse is sent a spinal cord to the muscles effectors in the arm through the motor nerves. These are the nerves which really have some actions of hands or legs or something. These are all the actions which are done through the various set of nerves like sensory nerves or motor nerves. Okay, the muscles receive the message and controls to pull hand away from the hot plate. The pathway of reflex action can be shown given. See here, the boy was touching the object and taking back. This is the response. This is the hotness felt by the person. Clear? Children, I hope that all understood what is meant by reflex action. The actions which are not controlled by our brain are called as reflex action, and already I explained in this video what are examples of the reflex action, and also what are receptors and also stimulus, how much important that the spinal cord have in our body. I hope that all are understood this lesson. If any doubts, please make sure, and assignment will be given below. Thank you. Have a nice day.